Hey, what's up everyone? So you are trying to use WhatsApp on your iPad mini 6th generation and are tired of searching for it on App Store, but it's not available there. I know how it feels. Well, what if we say there is a way to use it like an app from your iPad? Stay with us to know how to do that. Now first, go ahead, open your browser. Then type in web.whatsapp.com. Enter the website and then wait patiently for a while to the QR code to appear. Now, you can also link it with your phone number that was used for WhatsApp, but I think the QR code option is much quicker, so I'm using it for this video. Now, on your other device, well, it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or Android, it'll work the same. Just go ahead, open WhatsApp app. Go to settings, and then go to linked devices. Tap on link a device. And splendid, your WhatsApp account will open on your iPad. Just go ahead, send messages and talk to your loved ones. Just remember, since it's not an app and kind of a workaround to use it from your iPad, some WhatsApp functions might not be available from here. Now, you can also create a desktop shortcut and use it from there as well. For that, tap on this share button, scroll down a bit, and then select add to home screen. And then all you have to do is just tap on add. Now you can see a shortcut is added to your iPad home screen. Now whenever you want, you can use your WhatsApp account right from here. And when you see yourself logged out, just log in following the same process we have shown you. But I promise you, this just happened the first time you try to log in from your desktop. Now, just in case you don't want to use WhatsApp from your iPad anymore, what you have to do is on your phone, open WhatsApp, go to settings, from link devices to other device, and here, just tap on or select logout, and you will be logged out of your account. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Take care.